What if AI could unlock the hidden potential of every leader in your organization? Let's discuss a fascinating topic that's been on my mind lately. How AI is revolutionizing leadership at all levels of the organizational hierarchy. AI has brought about unprecedented change, and it's time to explore how this powerful technology can empower every leader to be more productive and strategic. The quality and quantity of information and the sophisticated support in decision-making that was reserved only to top-level executive ones, it's now within the reach of every individual leader, regardless of their position in the hierarchy. Here are 4 ways every leader can harness the benefit of AI to enhance their leadership and drive their organization forward, even if they are not C-level executives. Well, the first is about better competitive intelligence. AI-powered competitive intelligence tools can help leaders stay ahead of the curve by providing insights into competitor strategies, market trends, and emerging opportunities. By harnessing AI, leaders can make strategic decisions that position their areas of business for long-term success. Second point refers to automation. By automating mundane tasks and providing data-driven insight, AI frees up time and cognitive resources for leaders of every level to focus on creative problem-solving and innovation. By embracing AI, leaders can drive new ideas and solutions, propelling their part of the organization to the forefront of their industries. Third point relates to smarter business process. AI can help leaders optimize the organization business process by identifying inefficiency and suggesting improvements. By automating repetitive tasks and enhancing decision-making, AI can free up leaders to focus on a higher-level strategic initiative. And finally, the fourth point is about improved talent management. AI can revolutionize talent management by identifying skill gaps, predicting employee performance, and facilitating personalized learning experience. As a leader, you can leverage AI to optimize recruitment, onboarding, and employees' development process to build a stronger, more agile workforce. It's time for leaders at all levels to embrace the power of AI and transform the way they lead. By harnessing this approach, you can become a more effective, strategic, and forward-thinking leader, driving your organization to new heights in the AI era. I hope you found this short video insightful and thought-provoking. And if you want to stay informed on this topic, click on subscribe and follow me on LinkedIn to be part of a community that is driving positive change in the way we lead. Thank you for watching and for your continued support.